back to another video, guys. Thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony, for another banger. I'm glad you guys are here today with me. It's a beautiful sunny day in California, man. Damn, it's warm today. It's cold, but it's like the sun's warm, you know. But the air is very fresh. Look at my baby girl Selena, all cute. She aired out right now for y'all. Yup. Almost at the right height I want, but she needs some more work. It's all good though. But this video today is not about me. It's about the boy J-Ro. Pull it up to his crib right now. We're about to see what we're getting into. We have the Honda here. Oh, what's up, man? This is a famous G37 that Hyro retired after I beat him in the dick. And on the track. RIP the G37, you know. But I got my boy Hyro here working hard. Can you refresh him and tell him, let him know what this is, Hyro?
Gixxer, a 600. Low bike.
Crazy. What you were saying?
This is what's tripping me out right now, man. So you see how these have the bolts coming down?
Yeah.
Like, how are we gonna, you know?
Oh, okay. They don't come with hardware?
Oh, they come with these first, but... Oh, actually...
Those are studs. I guess yeah, they have studs.
Yeah, never mind.
So, yeah. Hopefully it's the same size nut, you know?
Yeah.
Well, unless it doesn't come with the nuts or what?
Nah, not from what I see, pues.
For sure.
Yeah, it's a little integrated.
Turn around.
Gixxer?
Turn around, my boy.
What you mean?
Oh, so they're looking at it like this, you know? And what is this? Is it gonna light up or what?
Yeah, because turn signals are integrated to these.
Yeah.
So I will have to put like the wires. You know?
That's hard. Sheesh. My boys over here busting down with 10mm.
Dude, this is like easiest shit everywhere. 2 bolts, man.
2 wires. Pretty simple. Yeah, let me get that front end view, yeah, Harold? For the one time. I don't know when it takes a picture on iPhone video, but I hope it just did. But anyways, let me give you guys a walk around on the homie's bike. In case y'all haven't seen it. I don't know if we mentioned this in the other videos, but apparently this is a horn.
Oh, yeah.
We were wondering that in our first motorcycle videos, but this is a horn.
Weird horn everywhere.
Yeah. And you already put them spark plugs in or what, Hyro?
Nah, I gotta go with zinc.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, with that. Man, zinc this?
Oh, crazy. I'm just gonna get all Zane specced out.
It ain't right if it ain't zinc spec, you know?
Yeah. Thanks.
I think I'm gonna get these carbon fiber.
You want the plastics?
Yeah, for the gas tank?
Yeah. Well, it's already doing a cool little weight reduction, you know?
Yeah, weight reduction.
Yeah.
It's fine.
And it's gonna help with the airflow better now, because this is not gonna get in the way. Air's not gonna hit this, you know?
Yeah. So now it's just gonna go straight. Shoot.
Yep.
Stop, yeah. Oh, is that noise?
I'm just going crazy over there.
Just put thread lock on it?
Nah, that's a locking nut. So it has a little nylon thing at the end.
Oh, shit.
It's supposed to be stiff, you know, but you know the threads are a little rusted out, you know.
Yeah, they do look rusted.
Are these the OEM mirrors or what?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I don't know why, bro.
Bikes just look sports bikes just look so horrible with mirrors.
Yeah, in my opinion, they do. Some people like them.
Yeah.
I don't know.
These look horrible.
Not my thing.
I just feel like they weren't like. I know they were just slapped on
like a fucking bug. Huh?
Yeah, I know they were just slapped on for just to be able to sell them, but I'm sure they could have done a way better design if they wanted, you know? Because I'm sure
some bikes don't have mirrors, no?
I don't know. Stock, I think they have to have them.
Really?
Yeah. I think, well, my bike comes with mirrors too, but you know, let me took them out.
Oh, yeah? I think it's because of the wire that's so...
It's a little scary, but I'm going to try to disconnect the thing right here, the duct tape, and see if we can...
I don't think it's spliced on there, though, is it?
You think so? Because I don't know how far these wires go. So I think everybody's bike looks like this. My bike wiring definitely looks like this. A little bit worse than this. We're just trying to figure this out where they cut into it. But I'm assuming they probably cut into it right here. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta kind of try to figure this out because I don't want to. I'm not able to wire it in here unless we move some more stuff, you know, like the plastics and stuff. Then I can actually get down. But
what I see is people just unclip them and then they just cut it from here and then just clip them back, you know. But cut it like from like this wire directly.
Yeah.
And you know, 2 and 2. But
well, that's what I thought. I originally thought where the sleeve ended is where, you know, potentially it could have cut it, but. Let me see what's up. So I done a lot of wiring in my day, but I don't know why that looked like that. That is nasty. Just wanted to show you guys, gross you out a little bit, you know. So I'm just taking out the little loom, see where we can cut into it or see where we can get something done. But I'll get back to you guys on that. It looks like there's the where they connected it right there. You see it? It's not just find the one for the black wire.
oh, this motherfucker taped down here too.
Oh, how is that? I pretty much found where these two get connected right here. The black one gets connected there right there. But it seems like they're cut also down there. So I want to see what's going on down there too. So we'll see what's up with that. Looking a little bit strange right now. So I'm hoping I can use all of this wire. This one had two connectors and then like a little extension. I don't know what's going on in here, but I got it off. So this is pretty much what the mirror is. This is like a cool pound, I'd say. So essentially what it's gonna look like, the light picks it out. Like that. And then the wire is long enough, I just need to route it behind the nut. Instead of having to tape it around, I'm just gonna route it right behind there. And then have it come down because it's more than enough length than what I need. And then we'll just finish doing this job. I don't know which one the white one or the black one goes to, the red or yellow, but...
oh, yeah?
I think...
So you just walked down with it or what?
Oh, I got it right.
What crazies? Oh, yeah?
Crazy. So what is it? You guys are doing this on your own. The red one goes to the white wire right here. To the white wire. And then the other one to the black. You feel me?
Which one would you hook it up to? Is it the orange to the black, right?
There ain't no orange, dog.
I saw an orange. What's the other color?
Red and yellow. The red goes to the power and the yellow goes to the black one. This was just like, we could just get some like heat wrap or something. But I didn't bring it. All we had was duct tape, you know. But it looks better, I guess. I don't know. Let me put on the other one with the quicks. You feel me? Alright, I'm all done on this side. That shit's all tucked. Alright, just needs to bolt that in and we're done, though. Easier. With it all done, man, essentially. Not me slapping on the last one, but that's what they look like. I had to swap the wires on that one because the two wires that I got where they got spliced into, those were a different color than this side as well. Those were both black, but one had a white stripe on it, so I thought it was just a whole mess, but they're done. This is what they look like. Look hard. With the matching little one right here. And the bike just looks that much better, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yeah. This is Mando.
Yeah.
Then it looks like a bug. No one wants a bug, you know?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I want a bug.
Oh yeah, no. Like spike, you know?
Yeah. Oh, crazies! The homie dropping the good stuff. These are pretty cool, man. I think Hyro got these with the bike. These are pretty cool to work on them. I think they came with them, but it's a pretty sweet deal. Back at the crib, guys. Y'all know what it is. I was editing this video, and I noticed I didn't actually end it out. So here I am. After that, I went to work. The homie Hyro went about his day, and we all just had a good day. You feel me? Not much to it other than that, man. That was the first mod to the Gixxer. Let me know what you guys want to see next down in the comments below. We'll try to make it happen for you guys. Any content you guys want to see, feel free to leave down these ideas, man. You guys can't expect me to come up with everything by myself or, you know, just us on our own. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Your support means the world to me, man. That thumbs up you guys throw up at the end of each video. Y'all don't know how far that could take us, man. It could be the next thing I need, or the next thing we need to go up to the next level, man. And all you need to do is hit that like button. That's crazy, huh? You don't even need to do much. You feel me? Hit that subscribe because you're already there. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.